In 8 non-identical apples can be distributed among 3 boys such that every boy should get at least 1 apple and at most 4 apples. At most 4 apples. Another question here. The number of ways in which 8 non-identical apples can be distributed among the 3 boys such that every boy should get at least 1 apple and at most what? So 4 apples. At most 4 apples. That means so minimum 1, maximum 4. So for example, you can take number of apples is x. You can take x. This is so each boy should get at least one, not more than 4. That is the condition here. So the possible group sizes are are 1, 3, 4. So one boy can give for 1 and other boy can give 3, next 4. This is suppose you can take group 1. Now next 2, 2, 4. Total 8 required. That is group 2. Next what possible? 2, 3, 5 over 3. That is one possible group. That is G3. So now how many combinations that is later. Now first let us each one group we can make it. So after that how many ways you can distribute 8 apples in the first group? That is one thing. 1, 3, 4. They can exchange also among themselves. Next 8 in the second group is group 1, group 2. So 2, 2, 4. Here some identical persons or identical objects also can distribute. Keep in mind we have formula for that. So now next 2, 3, 3. This is 3. Okay. So in this case, how to get the arrangements here? So here the number of ways distributed 8 apples in group 1 for 3 boys. That is 8 factorial by 1 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Into 3 factorial means 3 boys. So in group 3 groups means in 3 groups 1, 3, 4 means like that. You can take only 1 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. This will not get. So same thing. So number of ways distribution of 8 apples in group 2. Okay. Now this is 2, 2, 4. 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Next number of ways distribution of 8 apples in G3 is 2, 3, 3. That is 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Because sorry into 2 factorial we are missing. This is two identical things are there. So now here into 2 factorial. Why into 2 factorial? These are identical. Into 3 factorial. Before here all are distinct. That's why it won't get here. Here 2 repeated 2 times. This will come into 2 factorial extra comes here. So 3 repeated 2 times. So 3 like things are there. Into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. That is a formula which is So now total number of ways. Total number of ways distribution. So that equal to, you can add all 3. 8 factorial by into 3 factorial. 8 factorial by 2 factorial whole cube into 4 factorial into 3 factorial, but second case. So now here this will be 8 factorial by 2 factorial whole square into 3 factorial whole square into 3 factorial. So you can cancel 1 3 factorial, and this one you can rewrite as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 3 by 3 factorial. So calculation becomes so then same thing you can write as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 3 by 3 factorial. Again here 1 3 factorial cancel. Then here the remaining is 8 factorial is there, 8 factorial 3 factorial into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 by 3 factorial into 2 factorial whole cube, that is 8. Yes, next this one cancel, this one cancel. This is 2 factorial whole square, this is 4, 4 cancel. Now here 4 factorial cancel. So 2 factorial whole cube is 8. This will be cancelled. So after simplification, we got this is 1680 plus last one 1680 plus middle one. This is 1260. So altogether 4620 will get here. Check the answer what they are given, 4620. Okay, that is the answer for this case.